Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix TikTok filters not working problem. So our first solution is we need to update our TikTok app. To do that, go to your Play Store and search here TikTok. If you see update available here, then update your TikTok app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear cache files for our TikTok app. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Open your TikTok app, tap on storage usage, clear cache, clear data, and now open your TikTok app and log in into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to turn off and on our phone. So turn off your phone and turn on it again and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to delete our TikTok app from our device and we need to reinstall it. So uninstall your TikTok app and open your Play Store, search for TikTok and reinstall it. That's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.